So here's my baby again. Call her Nikki, because she's nasty. As you see, I did those upgrades I was talking about in my other videos. Got the mirrors with the turn signals in them. Both of them. And also, put those flush mounts on. These flush mounts actually have the daytime day run lights in them as well. And I'm gonna turn them on so y'all can see what they look like. So, headlights on. So are the turn signals. So, here's that signal, which goes with that one. This goes with that. Then we got this one and that one. Going with that one. So yeah, everything works well. Put it back off. Day run lights come back on. That's it. I mean, my next task I'm gonna do is frame sliders. Frame sliders. Maybe D3 grips. Besides that, maybe powder coat the rear set. And I'm pretty much done. I might get a Louis Moto seat, but as far as the major stuff, pretty much done, guys. Also I'm gonna get a Pug double bubble tinted. So if you guys have any more ideas for me, please let me know. Maybe brake lines, you know, make those look a little better. But yeah, that's my bike. Let me know if you have any ideas of any improvements I can do. Also, got to change the air filter and do all that stuff. But thanks, guys. Let me know what's going on.